Hey blockchain visionaries, I am really excited because I just got this Marslander solo Bitcoin miner from the folks over at Bitcoin Merch. Now, if you know my style, I actually mine Bitcoin. I'm currently running already 10 nerd miners from Bitcoin Merch. So now this is going to be adding to the collection that I'm actually going to be hashing and looking for Bitcoin. Mining Bitcoin is very, very important, and this device is really cool. What's cool about this device is that in this size, this thing does between 300 to 400 gigahashes in hashing power. It's really good for a little device like this. Cool part about this as well, it doesn't just let you mine Bitcoin. You can mine any cryptocurrency that uses SHA-256. What does that mean? You can mine Bitcoin, but you can also mine Bitcoin Cash. You can mine DGB. There's many opportunities when you have SHA-256 mining with it. So the best part about this is that if you're interested in mining Bitcoin, you can do the same. I'm including for you a link where you can actually get one yourself. I get them from Bitcoin Merch. And now let's unbox this. Okay, so let's start opening this. First thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cut into the box. And as I go, I'm gonna start tearing. So we finally got the Marslander running. Let me show you how cool this is. We're doing right now 297.09 gigahashes per second. This display is awesome because not only do you keep track of the current price of Bitcoin, but check this out. One block is currently worth $293,372. I haven't found any blocks, but if I did, that's what I would win. Now the cool part is that I'm not only running this device, I'm running 10 nerd miners also from Bitcoin Merch, and all of that adds together to increase my odds. Now, let me show you about a cool thing about this. The lights are also customizable. I can actually change them into different colors. I can set them to fade. It's a really powerful device. Now, one thing I want to point out to you, if you want to mine Bitcoin, you can do so as well, just like me. You don't need to ask permission. Simply go to the link below. You're going to find out from Bitcoin Merch, very special offer. Get one of these or check out the different selections of the miners that they have available. It's a really good opportunity for you to be able to get into Bitcoin mining and help make Bitcoin more secure. I look forward to seeing you become a Bitcoin miner.